This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own vitamins. We'll cover the simple steps to create personalized supplements right at home. Imagine tailoring your daily intake to exactly what your body needs, saving money, and gaining full control over ingredients. This guide will help you understand the process, from selecting raw materials to safely encapsulating your custom blends. It's easier than you might think to start your journey toward personalized wellness. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need high-quality raw vitamin powders, such as vitamin C or a B complex, and perhaps some magnesium. A precise digital scale, accurate to at least 1/100th of a gram, is vital for correct dosages. Don't forget a capsule filling machine, which can process anywhere from 24 to 100 capsules at once, and plenty of empty gelatin or vegetarian capsules in your preferred size, like size 0 or 00. Now, let's walk through the filling process. First, carefully weigh each individual ingredient using your digital scale to ensure precise dosages. For example, if you want 250 milligrams of vitamin C, measure exactly that amount. Next, combine all your measured powders in a clean, dry bowl and mix them thoroughly to ensure an even distribution. Finally, load your empty capsules into the capsule machine, spread the powder over them, and use the tamper to compact the powder before capping them securely. Safety is paramount when making your own supplements. Always research and adhere to recommended daily allowances for each ingredient. For instance, a typical adult might take 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily. Store your finished capsules in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and humidity, to maintain potency for up to 6 months. This method allows for incredible customization, letting you create blends like a stress relief formula with B vitamins and magnesium, perfectly suited to your individual health goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.